Now, I've been on YouTube and I've stumbled across countless videos all saying I can earn around $1,600 a day using Google News. All these videos claim it's extremely easy and anyone can do it. So today I decided to try out these methods and to see if it really does work. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go onto Google News. So what I'm going to do is type in Google News on Google and then just click on the first link, which is Google News. So now that we're on Google News, you can see these are all the news articles over here. And if you have a look at the very top just over here, you can see there's different categories for different news articles. Now the main ones are business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now those are the categories that we're going to have a look at. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find an article that we like. So I'm going to click on technology and I'm going to click on artificial intelligence, as AI is extremely popular right now. So if you go onto this article over here where it says AI is coming for our jobs. So now that we see the AI article, now what we have to do is we have to copy the article. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the whole article. We're going to click copy. Now once we've copied the article, what we're then going to do is open up a Word document and paste in the article. Now watching these videos on YouTube, they claim you can earn $1 per word of the article. And they also claim that there are other websites that we can use that we can earn $2 per word of the article. So let's say if we had written an 800-word article, that would mean we'd earn $1,600. Now this does sound crazy, but I am keeping an open mind. So make sure you keep watching to see if I can actually earn any money doing this. Now once you've copied the article, we're going to go on a website called Spinbot. Spinbot is an AI tool and it basically rewrites whatever you paste into it. So basically it will rewrite any text put into it into its own words. This is how we get rid of copyright and plagiarism. So now all you do is you go onto the Word document where you save the text of the article, you copy that and you paste it into Spinbot. Then below you just click on spin. Now Spinbot will rewrite that whole article into its own words, which means the article essentially will be your own. Now before we continue with the video, I just want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Prime Opinions. Prime Opinions allows you to turn your opinions into cash. All you got to do is fill in some surveys and you'll get paid. It's literally as simple as that. And you can make as much as $5 per survey. These surveys take around 17 minutes, which means you can earn up to $15 an hour, all from the comfort of your own home filling out surveys. Now quick disclaimer, this won't replace your full-time job. However, it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. All you got to do is click my link in the description. So once you click my link, all you've got to do is put in your email address and sign up. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a $5 free bonus. Now also what's cool with Prime Opinions is that you can get paid in multiple ways. You can either get paid in cash, you can get paid in gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, as well as Visa gift cards. And if you look at the top over here, you can see the live payouts of real people earning actual money. So make sure you sign up today using my link in the description and start earning some money. It's literally a great way to earn some extra money on the side. It's literally straightforward and very, very easy to do. Now, if we have a look at Spinbot and what it's changed, you can see over here, you can see the original text said artificial intelligence will bring huge changes to the world of work, which Spinbot has now changed it to computerized reasoning will carry immense changes to the universe of work. Now, this doesn't really make sense because we're talking about artificial intelligence and it's renamed it to computerized reasoning. So instead of Spinbot, I'm going to use another AI tool called ChatGPT. So what we're going to do, we're going to ask ChatGPT to completely rewrite this text for us. So the prompt that I'm going to use is I need you to paraphrase this article for me and change the words completely around. Make it completely different and not the same, and also add some extra depth to it. I'm then going to paste in the article and ChatGPT is going to completely rewrite that text for me. So now if we have a look at ChatGPT's revised version, the landscape of work is on the brink of substantial transformation due to the advent of artificial intelligence, presenting both opportunities and risks for society. So you can see this is completely changed in a proper way. So I wouldn't recommend using Spinbot, which is what these YouTube videos were advertising. I would definitely recommend using ChatGPT. So what you're then going to do is you're going to highlight the whole text and click on copy. Now I'd also recommend pasting this into a separate Word document. Now as these videos claim that we can earn $2 per word, I'm going to see how many words this article is. So I'm just going to go on Google and type in word counter. So we just go onto word counter and we paste in our article. And according to word counter, it's around 820 words. So according to these YouTube videos that claim that we can earn $2 per word, we would earn $1,640 just for this one article. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go onto one of many websites that these videos claim that we should go on. So the first website that I'm going to go one is eating well. So in the video, it showed an email address that we can email our revised article to. So then I'll type out an email to this person. So in the email I wrote, I'm contacting you with an interest in contributing content to your magazine. Before I proceed with submitting my article, I would appreciate confirmation regarding your current acceptance of content submissions. Additionally, I would like to inquire about the possibility of receiving compensation at a rate of $1 per word for my article. Now I sent that email and I eagerly waited a response. However, as soon as I sent the email, about 30 to 45 seconds later, I got this. It says mx.google.com rejected your message to the following email address. The address you sent your message to wasn't found at the destination domain. Now in the video, it does show other websites where you can do the same thing. However, I'm not going to focus on those websites. What I'm going to do instead is show you guys how you can actually make money using Google News. Now, albeit the steps I showed you in the beginning didn't work to make money with Google News, there are two ways that you can make money with Google News. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that like button and also make sure you subscribe to the channel, as I've got a lot of ways to make money online, and trust me, you do not want to miss them. Starting off with the first way, what you can do is have a look at articles that pique your interest. Based on these articles, what you can then do is you can go onto ChatGPT and ask it to write you a full article from scratch. Now this method would be the best way to do so, because AI will write you a full article in its own words. And then to check your article, you can go onto something called Grammarly.com, which will check for any plagiarism or copyright. Once you've done that, you can go onto a website called Beehiiv. So if you don't know what Beehiiv is, Beehiiv allows you to create your own newsletter. So make sure you click the link in the description so you can sign up with a free account with Beehiiv. Also, there is a paid subscription which is around $99 a month, and what this basically allows you to do is that when anyone signs up to your newsletter, they'll type in their email address, and then what Beehiiv will do will offer them other newsletters where you can earn some money from. And those newsletters pay you per person. So let's say you earn around $4 per subscriber. If 100 people sign up to other newsletters, you'll earn around $400. But if you don't want to use that feature, you can still sign up completely free on Beehiiv. And you can still make a ton of money without buying the subscription. And then what you can do is you can create your own newsletters and your own articles. And the way you'd be making money through Beehiiv would be through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Now, the way sponsorships work is that they'll put their own stuff in between some parts of your article. This way you can earn some serious money by doing so. Now, the second way you can make money through Google News is that you can go on articles. So let's have a look at the article that we looked at earlier. So the article we looked at earlier was AI is coming for our jobs. So what we can do is we go onto YouTube, and if we paste AI is coming for our jobs, we'll see a ton of different videos talking about that topic. Now we've got one over here where it says all the jobs that AI will replace in 5 years. And you can see they got 206,000 views. So what you can do is set up your own YouTube channel and start talking about some of these articles that are in the news. And as that topic will be trending and people will be searching for it, your video can easily get a ton of views. All you need to do is record yourself with a camera or even a smartphone talking about that subject. Now, if you're not comfortable going in front of a camera, there is another way you can do this. So if you want to know how to do this without showing your face in front of a camera and with AI doing all of the work, make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.